Hey YouTube, we're back. Today we're going to attempt to answer the question, which grip is better on the kit? Is it the traditional grip or the match grip? Let's get started. We'll answer that in a minute. Okay YouTube, we are back and we are trying to do a lesson this time on which is better, which grip is better when it comes to the drum kit. Is it the traditional grip? Is it the match grip? I want you to leave your comments down in the comment section below. Tell me which grip do you think is a better grip when playing the drum kit. Personally, I just think it depends on the style of music that you're playing, and I think it depends also on the volume at which you're playing. If you're playing a slow groove or something like that, sometimes traditional works best. If you're playing jazz and you're doing a lot of swing, I think traditional works best. These are just my opinion, guys. But if you're playing rock, metal, maybe even light rock, maybe you use a match grip. I personally, if I'm playing funk or something like that, I typically tend to use a match grip. And hey, we'll see. Let's put some to the test. All right. So we're going to start off with just a slow, simple groove. And we're going to start off with a traditional grip, which is like this. And then we'll switch over to a match grip. All right. So here we go. Next groove pattern we'll try is this. Could you tell if there was a difference on the impact on the snare when I was playing match grip versus traditional grip? We'll have to see. Put a comment below. Tell me if you could hear the difference in the impact or the dynamic of the snare drum when I'm playing traditional grip versus match grip. Sometimes in a song, you may want to change between using a cross stick on your snare and going back to the snare, kind of like we did in the previous videos where we went from a chorus to a verse. So we'll try that application now. Now, arguably, little ghost notes at the end can be played traditional grip or match grip. It's just a matter of preference, in my opinion. I want to know what you're thinking. Which grip do you prefer? Which grip do you think is better? Next groove demonstrates the match grip first, and then I'll switch it over to a traditional grip. Here we go. It's going to sound familiar. So there you have it. What do you think? Traditional grip or match grip? Put a comment in below. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, spread the link, help us grow our channel. Thank you for supporting us thus far, and we appreciate your time. Hope this lesson was a little benefit to you. Bye.